ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We'll continue the lesson. Chaturdash Pataha. Yes, seeing the second paragraph. Saha balakaha hyaha patam na apatat. Upadhyayaha tam athadayat. Tam vartam tasya swasa pitre akatayat. Next vakyam. Ramaji. Then start.
पिता पुत्रम अभत्सयत.
Abhartsayata. Tenth gana dhatu, if you see, most of the dhatu, not all the dhatu, most of the dhatus have this sense of binda or tadana. First dhatu itself should stay. Then this tadana, tad dhatu, vatsayata, tarjane, tarja also, tenth gana. Has got all these dhatus. Abhartsayata, bartsa, tarjane, tenth gana dhatu. Yes, please continue.
Yeah. This is Sakarmaka Atmanepadi Dhatu said.
Yes, about this Atmanepadi. How do you know it's Atmanepadi?
That is, I saw in the Dhatu Kosha.
Okay. It is Atmanepadi Dhatu. We will see Churadigana. It is Akusmiya. That is a set of dhatus. Akusmiyatvat Atmanepaditvam bhavati. Fine. But Kshira Swami. There is a author Kshiraswami. Kshiraswami's version of Dhatu Kosha, Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata, we have many. Adaviya Dhatu Pata, Paniniya Dhatu Pata, Kshiraswami Dhatu Pata. So according to Kshiraswami Dhatu Pata, he says this is, it has got, it is Parasmaipadya also. So therefore, Vatsayati also possible. Abhatsayat also possible. Generally, akusmiya is the dhatus which, the list of dhatus in that Charadikana is called akusmiya. We will see that what it is later. They are considered to be Atmanipadi. But according to Kshiraswami, this is Parasmaipadya also. So therefore, Bhatsayati Rupam also is between Bhatsayat and Lakara possible. Okay. So, Kaha Abharsayata, Atarjayat, Atarjayata, equivalent word, Tarjane. Kaha
Pita, Pita Abharsayata.
Pita kam Abharsayata.
Putram
Abharsayata. So that is the Vakyam.
Pita
Putram Abharsayata. We can do the other possible.
This is Langla.
Yes.
Yeah. Lot will be Vatsayatam.
Vatsayatam. Okay.
Ling Lakara will be Vatsayata.
Ling Lakara will be
Vatsayata.
Yeah.
Vatsayatam Vatsayata.
Okay.
Rit will be Vatsayishyate. If it is Atmanipadi.
Atmanipadi, yes. Okay. Continue.
Katari Shanach will be Pita Putram Vatsamanaha Asit or Vatsamanaha Pita. Sorry.
Vartsyamanaha.
Vatsya.
Vartsya. Vartsyamanaha. Vatsa Dadatu which will come, right? So Vatsi, Vatsaya, Vatsaya.
Yeah.
Even for the Lakara also. Lakara also it will come like that. Okay? Not sure what you said.
Okay, Barsi will be the Dhatu.
Barsi the Dhatu. Okay.
Vatsya.
So, yes.
Vatsyamanaha Asit.
Vatsyamanaha. Vatsyamanaha Pita.
Pita.
Putra. Asit.
Then Karmani will be Pitra Putraha Vatsyate. C plus Yak.
Yes. That's it. So Karmani, we know what will happen.
Yeah.
Karmani, that he will go away. Therefore. Okay.
G, here we have to give it in Bhutakala, right? Barsiti, that Abarsayat.
Yes. In Bhutakala I can do.
Yeah. Abatsyata.
Yes. Abatsyata. Abatsyata. Means you are doing Karmani, right? So Abatsyata.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then,
okay.
yeah.
Yes.
Karmani Shanach will be Vatsyamanena Pitra Putraha.
Vatsyamanena. Yes. Abatsyamane. Abatshyamanena Pitra, right? Putraha. Okay. Taprate.
Why Batsyamanena, Sharanji? Batsyamanena, right?
Sorry, Batsyamanena, Batsya. What did you say? Batsyamanaha putra.
Batsyamanena pitra putraha bhuyate.
That's all right. Yes. Okay. Your doubt is?
No, I heard like Abartsyamanen.
No, not Abartsyamanen.
Sorry.
Yes.
Then
here also, sorry to interrupt. Last class you said we have to say like Batsyamanaha putraha, no, that.
That also you can do. You can Batsyamanaha putraha. That's
Pitra,
what she...
No, Pitra, she said for Pitra, Visheshana for Pitra, she said. Batsyamanaha putraha, you corrected last class. Pitra asit. Shanaj karmani.
Shanaj karmani. Okay.
It has to qualify putraha, right?
See, Bartsi is a dhatu. Bartsi plus, and if you do Shanaj, Bartsi plus Shab, then Batsaya Manaha, one form is that. Batsaya Manaha form, that is Shanaj. And Bartsi plus Yak plus Shab, Batsya Mana, that also is there. Both look same only, right?
No, it has to qualify putraha or pitra.
That's okay. The form is same. Okay, now Batsyamanaha putra, Batsyamanaha, when you say it qualifies pita, Batsyamanaha pita putram asit. That is one. Then Batsyamanena putrena pita. That's what you are saying, yes. Batsyamanena pita.
No.
Batsyamanena.
No, now we are doing Shanaj karmani.
Batsyamanaha putraha. That is second form, yes. Pitra Batsyamanaha putraha bhuyate. Yes.
You corrected us last class.
Yes. But it's not corrected. That's why we are doing like this before also.
No, we made mistakes when we were telling.
Yeah.
We made mistakes last class. You corrected and taught us like this.
So, yeah. What I'm saying is that the Shanaj Rupam of birth would be Batsyamana. That form is same. We're using Tritiya Vibhakti. If it is using Tritiya Vibhakti, the one who is what do you call Tarjana, who is threatened. The one who is threatened, putra. So Batsyamanaha putraha pitra asi. That is one thing. That is Karmani Shanaj. Batsyamanaha pita putram asit. That is
Shanaj.
Yes.
Dhanyawad.
But you understand that Batsyamana is a form. Barts dhatu with nich will become Batsi, and then you add Shab to become Batse, then Batsaya Mana, the form you get. Batse, Batsaya, then Batsaya Mana. And Batsi plus Yak plus Shanaj will become, Batsi will become, that me will go away, Batsya. Here also you will have the same form. You have the same form or different form? Hello?
Sharji?
This Shanaj, this Karmani, as well as the general one. You have the same form or different form? Can you hear me?
One is Barsayamana, another one is Barsyamana.
Barsyamana, yes. That's right. That form is a little different. I think
Sakara only.
Bars plus Nich, Barsi. So this is the dhatu, new dhatu. So Batsi plus Shab plus Ana. That will become Batsi will become Batse. So it is Bats.
So for 10th Gana, both the forms should be same option. Nijanta and Almi.
Batsi, Batse, 1 minute. This is Mana. What will happen? Batse. Batsayamana. Yeah, the form would be Batsayamana. Same will be. It's the only same. Then Batsi plus F plus Mana. Here Batsi will become Batsyamana. This is the form. The difference, right? Not same, sorry.
Karmani form.
Yeah. This is little confusing. That's why I was doing like that. Batsyamana, Batsayamana. Both are different. Here, small difference is that Sakara there, Sa is there. Here, Sakara is there. So, Batsyamanaha Pita Putram Asit. Right? Batsyamanena, that's sorry, Batsyamanaha Putraha, Pitra Asit. That is Karmani Shanaj. So, Bartsyamana or Bartsyamana. Bartsayamana or Bartsyamana. Okay, this is Bartsayamana. The difference is that. Please note the difference. So, almost all the letters are same. So, therefore, it may be a little confusing. Right? So, this has got, as I said, Parasmipadi also. Therefore, Bartsayan also is possible. So, Bartsayan Pita Putran Asit. Bartsayan. Bartsayan, Bartsayantau, Bartsayantaha. Bartsayantam, Bartsayantau, Bartsayataha. Form is there. So, Parasmipadi also is there. And future tense would become Bartsa Ishyan. Bartsa Ishyan, Bartsa Ishyan, Tau, Bartsa Ishyantaha. Right? So, future tense, Lit Lakara, Lit Shana, that Lit Shahnach or you can do, I mean, you can do Parasmipadi. You can take it as Parasmipadi or you can take it as Atmanipadi. Bartsayishyan is Parasmipadi. Bartsayishyamanaha also is possible. That is Atmanipadi, taking it as Atmanipadi. Litlakara form you said Bartsayishyate, right?
Yeah.
The same thing. Bartsayishyate, Bartsayishyati. Tadvadeva here also. Okay. Then continue the next form.
One doubt, Sharanji.
Yeah.
I can say Batsyamanena Pitra Putraha Bhuyate, no? Right?
Bartsayamana is the one who is what you call criticized or condemned.
Threatening the.
Threatened. Who is threatened? Okay. Who is threatened?
No, Batsayamana.
Oh, Batsayamanaha. It is. Batsayamanaha is Pita.
Pita. So Batsayamanena Pitra Putraha Bhuyate.
That you can say. Yes, yes. You can say yes. Yeah. Batsaya, yes.
Yeah. If Karmani means it denotes the karma. So Pitra Batsyamana Putraha Bhuyate.
Yes. Yes, you're right. Yes. Okay. That's what we said, right? We didn't say that.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what it is. Batsayamanaha Pita. Batsyamanah Putraha. That's the difference. And the Karta will go in Tritiya Pitra. In the Kartari Vakya, Karma will go in Dvitiya Putram. And Pita will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Batsyamanah Pita, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the Dhatu was little confusing because the form is same. There is no difference. Okay, fine. Continuing the next.
Sure. No. Tavatu.
Yeah, Tavatu form.
Ta form is Barsi plus Batsita.
Bartsita, yes. Bartsi is the dhatu. Bartsi plus ta pratyaya. It is Bartsi anekach dhatu. Ta is also adhatu pratyaya. It will take itagama visa. So therefore, what will happen? When a nishta pratyaya, which is said, follows the nijanta, the ni goes away.
Ni goes away, yeah.
So therefore, you get Bartsita. Bartsita, Bartsitavat. So now you can decline that qualifying pita. Yes.
So it is ta means pitra.
Yes.
Putraha Batsitaha.
Bartsitaha, yes.
Then Batsitavat is the Pratipadikam.
See, one pita, pitra, putraha, bartsitaha. The same vakya you can, pitra you say, putrena, bartsitaha putrena pita. Possible, right? The same thing we are doing in Shatru also. Bartsitena putrena pita. The same thing, right? Pita, see, putraha, bartsitaha. Kena, pitra.
Pitra.
Putra is one who is threatened by the pita. Now making into yatritya. Batsitena putrena pita. The same thing we are doing in Kartari, this Shatru Vishayapi. Okay. I think that part is clear. Okay. Yeah, continue. Batsitavat now.
Tavat will be Batsitavat Pratipadikam. So, Pita, Putram, Batsitavan.
Batsitavan, yes. Please continue.
Yeah. Then Trich will be Barsi plus Trich. Here, Barsitru.
Yes.
So, Batsita.
Yeah.
So, Barsitri will be the Strilinga form.
Bartsi plus Trich pratyaya, Bartsi. Bartsi plus Trich. Trich can take itagama, right? Bartsi become Batse, Batsa, Batsayitru it will be, right?
Batsayitru, okay.
Here it will not go, that is the knee will not go because of this. This is not Anishta pratyaya. Batsayitru it will be Pratipadikam. Batsi plus Trich, Batsi will become Batse, and this is, it can take itagama. So Batsaya itru. Batsayita, Batsayitaru, Batsayitara. So Batsayita pita putram asit. You can say qualifying the pita. Batsayita. Right. So Tritiya Vibhakti, suppose if we use Batsayitra Pitra Putraha. Right? Okay. Please continue.
And Nul will be Barsi plus Akka.
This is simple.
Yeah.
Okay, let me write. Varsa Itra Sapratipikam. I think for every dhatu I will try to. I thought I could say, you can understand, that's okay. Still I will try to. Okay. Yeah, please continue.
Barsi plus Akka. So Batsayaka.
Barsi plus Akka.
Nul.
Ni will go away. So you know Batsaka.
Oh, like Nijanta.
This is Anit. Anit follows. Therefore, what will happen to Ni?
Yeah,
Ni lopaha.
Follows Ni goes.
Ni lopaha bhavati. Okay, next.
Plus Batsaka.
Batsaka. So Batsakaha. Null is what? Batsakaha Kartari null. So it qualifies Karta. So
Kartari. So Batsakaha Pita.
Batsakaha Pita. Yes. Lut would be?
Lut will be Batsanam.
Batsanam. This is also.
Putrasya Vatsanam. Yeah.
Yes. Pituhu. Pituhu Vatsanam. And Tavya.
Okay, okay. This also denotes.
Vatsanam is purely the karma, the kriya, the action. So Vatsanam. Therefore, Pituhu Vatsanam. Pituhu Vatsanam Putram Prati Abhavat. Something like that, making sentence. Okay. The threatening of the father. Vatsanam. Kasya Vatsanam. You have to use Shashti Bhakti. Pituhu Vatsanam. Okay. Tavya. Next one.
Yeah. That's C plus Tavya. Vatsitavya.
Vatsayitavya. Vatsayitavya. Vatsi will become Vatse, right? Vatsa, Vatsai, Vatsayitavya. Vatsayitavya. Guna will happen. Guna will happen. It will become Vatse, then Ayari Sandhi becomes Vatsayitavya, right? Next one, Aniya.
Aniya is Vatsaniya.
Yes. Vatsi plus Aniya becomes Vatsaniya. Simple. This is just, E will go away. Therefore, you have Vatsaniya. Okay, now Nattum will happen.
Vatsaniya. No.
Why? Because
Takara and Takara.
Sakara, Takara, that, therefore, Nattum Nabhavati. Yes. And yep. Twa and yep.
Twa will be Vatsi plus Vatsayitva.
Yes, Vatsi will become Vatsi, then Vatsayitva, yes. Natva said, we like the previously we saw the same thing. Vatsi will, it's considered, that will take Ittagama and it can cause Guna. Natva said. So by that one, it will not deem to be Kit. Even though Tva Pratyaya is a Kit, but it will not be deemed to be Kit. Therefore, Vatsayitva. This Tva Pratyaya being Adatuka Valadi, it will take Ittagama and therefore, and this is not considered to be Kit. Therefore, it can cause Guna. This will happen. Yes.
Kitvam is negated for Tvam.
Yes. That is for the Tva set. Not Tva set. Sutra is by that. This is negated. We will see that Tva later. What it specifically says. Okay. Now continue. Next one.
Yep.
Left would be, yes. You can add any.
Sambhatsya.
Sambhatsya. Yes. Then Tuman. Tum is? Vatsayitum. Okay, next one. Next one is Nijanta, not required.
That will be the same.
Same, the Rupam will be same. So, the next Vakya, Ganesh.
Yes, Ranji. So, next one is Tena Kupitaha Sabalakaha Swasaram Anindat.
Sabalakaha. Okay, let us do one by one. Kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam is Anindat. It's lang lakara of
Dhatu.
Nind Dhatu.
Dhatu is Nidhi Dhatu.
Nidhi Dhatu. Aupadeshika Dhatu is Nidhi.
Murdanya, yes.
And it's the first Gana Dhatu, Set, Ubhayapati. And,
okay.
So it is lung of Nind is Anindat.
Because it is
No.
nidhi. Nidhi.
Yes.
Idit dhatu. Therefore, it will get Numagama. Remember?
It's a said dhatu. Therefore, it is said dhatu.
No. Said dhatu is different. The dhatu is said, that is fine. Dhatu is said. Why it is said? Because it is not this anudata. Therefore, it may be udata. Therefore, it is said dhatu. That is different. Why it becomes nind? Dhatu is idit dhatu.
So numagama comes in.
Idit dhatus will get numagama.
Numagama. Yes.
That we have seen. Remember that idit dhatu, like nit dhatu within some more dhatus are all other idit.
Vandati or
Vand is a dhatu for that. There are many idit dhatus we have seen. Okay. So dhatu which has got ikara as the letter will take numagama. And not being in it will come after the last stretch, therefore becomes nind. So first is natva, this first is nakara, first is dante nakara will come in the place of mudra nakara. That is step number 1. Right? Then it gets numagama because of, okay, let me type it.
Right. So nidhi becomes nind.
Yes. So let me type here. This dhatu is nidhi. Nidhi. E is ithilate. Because it is. Oh, because it is idit. Now first you apply natvam. Not natvam. Natvam is different. Natvam
Reversal
is simple.
Reversal of.
Yes. So therefore here this is being idit. Therefore get numagama nind. So nind becomes. Nind is a dhatu. Right?
Yes.
And first gana, yes. So nindati.
Ubhayapati.
Saya. Okay. It's Ubhayapati. Good. Fine. It's Parshvipati, not Ubhayapati. Just check. Nindati only I have heard. Nindate at all I have never seen. Must be a Parshvipati.
I was under the impression it's Ubhayapati.
It is Parshvipati, not Ubhayapati.
Yes.
Please check. So Parshvipati or Ubhayapati?
It's Parasmaipati only.
Parshvipati only. Very good.
Yeah.
So nindati.
Sorry.
Okay.
It's Parasmati.
So now see these. Akyam. So dhatu is nind dhatu. Anindat. Anindat. Yes. Parshvipati. Right. Kaha anindat?
Saha balaka anindat.
Sa balakaha. The sa balakaha sandhya sapna.
So Visarga has become lopaha because it's followed by al.
Yes. And followed by hal.
Apart from akara, all the others.
Yes.
Visarga becomes lopaha. So
So becomes
Sabalakaha.
sabalakaha. Yes. Sabalakaha anindat. Kam anindat.
Swasaram anindat. Dvitiya vibhakti of swasa is swasaram.
Dvitiya vibhakti of swasra.
Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Swasaram.
Okay.
And it is, so Sabalaka is qualified by Tena Kupitaha.
Yes. Kupitaha qualifies. Kupdatu. Kupdatu sakarmaka akarmaka.
It is Akarmaka.
So
No karma.
Kupita, so Kupitaha qualifies the
Balaka.
qualifies balakaha. Kupitaha, the balaka who is angered. Kupitaha balakaha. Okay.
And Tena Kupitaha. So
Tena referring to the previous chapter.
Previous.
That is the hetu. That is the karanam. That is the karanam for the boy to get angry. So Tena referring to the previous.
not Swasara, not Swasa. Angry with her.
She is the Tena is the Pita threatened him. Therefore,
Okay.
the Pita scolded. Therefore, Tena Kupita, that is the cause. Tena, referring to that previous sentence.
That okay.
So Tena is difficult. Is this Pita Abhasyata. Tat Karanat. Tena is
For that,
See,
because of that
hetu.
reason.
Because of that reason. Hetu. Hetau tritiya. Tritiya vibhakti. Tritiya vibhakti. But tritiya ka tritiya. It is hetau tritiya. It is referring to the cause, the reason mentioned before. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So take the basic sentence. Anindatu. Balakaha anindatu. Balakaha swasaram anindatu. Other things will remain same. Right?
So balaka swasaram anindatu.
Anindatu. Understood now.
So lat will become nindati. So nindati, nindataha, nindanti.
Yes.
And in lang lakara is anindat, anindatam, anindan.
Lord will be nindatu.
Nindatu.
Nindatam, nindantu. Yes. Then
And
ling.
Ling will become nindet,
Nindet.
nindetam, nindeyuhu.
Yes.
So these are the 4 forms. And,
okay. Then Shatranta.
And Shatra form will be nindan. So
Yes.
Nindan Saha Nindan Balika Asit.
Sagan Nindan Balakaha. Okay.
Nindan
Swasaram.
Balaka Asit.
Yes.
Because it's
Okay.
and if you take it as Karmani, so Tena Balakena, and Swasaram becomes Swasa, Swasa, and Nin becomes Nindyate.
Nindyate. Tena. Yes.
Tena
Swasa nindyate.
Balakena, Swasa
Yes.
Nindyate.
Yes. So Nindyamana Swasa Balakena. Just doing Karmanishana. Okay.
Nindyamana, not Nindayamana.
Sorry.
Nindayamana.
Nindya, not Indaya. Nindya.
Yep.
Yeah. Nindya Manaya. This is Trilinga. Nindya Manaya Swasa. Sorry. It is Nindya Mana. Swasa is one who is. What is the sentence? Saha Balakaha Swasaram Anindatu. Okay. Swasa is one who is blamed, right? The sister is
Yes.
one who is blamed by the boy. So Nindyamanaya.
Okay, if it refers to Swasa, but we have been taking Shatra as Tritiya Vibhakti of.
Yes, we are doing Shatra already. You did.
So Nindata Tena Balakena.
Yes, fine, that's correct. Okay.
We have been taking like that, isn't it?
Yes.
Nindata Tena Balakena.
Nindata Balakena. Yes, correct.
So should we take Abhuyata?
Asit. That's what we are saying. Asit. Yes.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Now Abhuyata.
Yes. Karmanishana. That's what I said. Karmanishana is Nind plus Yat plus Mana. The one who is censured. Who is censured? The sister.
Sister.
So Nindyamana Swasa. Okay.
Yes.
Nindyamana Swasa Balakena. Nindyamana Swasa Asit. Right?
Yes.
So Nindyamana Swasa Asit. Balakena Nindyamana Swasa Asit. Balakaha Nindan Asit. Swasaram Nindan Asit. That is Shatra. Shatra is Nindan Balakaha Asit. So Karmani if you use Nindyamana Swasa.
Nindyamana Swasa.
Balakena Asit. Okay. Then the next one.
Then will be Ta Pratyaya. Ta will be here, I think said Dhatu Ninditaha.
Yes. Ninditaha. Nindita. Okay. Yes, Srilinga is. Therefore.
Nindita Swasa.
Nindita Swasa. The Swasa who is censured.
Censured by the
Bala. Balakena. Tena balakena nindita.
Nindita
Swasa.
swasa.
Tavatu would be
Ninditavat.
kaha. Balakaha.
Balaka.
Balakaha.
Ninditavataha.
Ninditavan. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Ninditavan balaka.
Nindita balaka.
Ninditavati balika.
No. Ninditavan. Okay. Ninditavati balika is saying fine. So Ninditavan balakaha.
Ninditavan balaka.
Ninditavan balakaha. Sasara. Okay. Then. And if you are using Srilinga, therefore Ninditavati is
Ninditavati balika.
Yes. That's fine. Then Trich would be.
Trich will be Nindishyati.
You're doing lit lakara, okay. Then it becomes. You're doing lit lakara, right?
Lit, yes.
Or it becomes Nindishyati. How you got the form? Nindishyati. Nind plus sya plus t. Nind plus sya plus t. So this is a state
dhatu.
So it will become nind plus ishya plus t. Nindishyati only. But
yes.
you said?
I said Nindishyati.
Okay. Maybe I heard something. Nindishyati. Yes.
Yes.
Nindishyati. Okay, the next one. Nindishyati and that Shatru form would be Nindishyan.
Nindishyan.
Nindishyan, Nindishyanto, Nindishyantaha iti rupam. Okay. Trich.
Trich will be Ninditra.
Ninditra. Ninditra.
Trilinga will become Ninditri.
Ninditri. Okay. And null.
Null will be Nindakaha. Nindaka. Balaka will be Nindakaha.
Why this?
Ikara is not there.
Ikara goes away.
Goes away.
Why it goes away? Is there any rule that Ikara should go away?
Well, it always goes away in other words also.
That is no Ikara, in fact. Therefore,
right.
That is no Ikara to go. By mistake, I
wrote it. It is Nindatu.
Nindadatu only. We are not doing causative now. Okay. Nindadatu.
So Nindaka.
Nind plus Saka, Nindaka. Then Lut will be?
Lut will be same like this, Nindanam.
Nindanam. Tavya.
Tavya. Here it is Ninditavya.
Yes, it will take Ittagama.
Ittagama. Set and Nittagama. So Ninditavya.
Ninditavya. Nind plus Ittavya. Ninditavya. Aniya would be?
Aniya will be Nindaniya. Nindaniya.
Nindaniya.
Nindaniya.
Criticizable, censurable, Nindaniya. Nind plus Tva. It will become?
Ninditva.
Ninditva. You will get Ittagama, therefore you will have
Ninditva.
With a lyap. Some plus Nind plus lyap.
It is Nindapya or Nindapya.
Some Nindya.
Some
Nindya.
Some Nindya.
Nindya. Nind plus lyap. Content is ya only. Nindya.
Nindya.
Sun Nindya.
Sun Nindya.
Okay, one small thing here. Tva pratyaya with when the dhatu as upasarga. Dhatu as upasarga. Samasa Vishay Athava Dhatu as upasarga, the twa will be replaced by yep. Yep is not yep pratyaya. Yep is not a pratyaya really. Because it replaces twa, therefore it gets pratyayatvam. It gets the status of pratyayatvam. Yep is not a pratyaya. Yep, because the adesha for the sthanitva, therefore it gets the status of being a pratyaya. Pratyayatvam bhavati. It's called sthanivat. Therefore, it is now becomes a pratyaya. Only when it replaces, it becomes a pratyaya. Okay, and the condition for adding yap pratyaya, for ordaining yap pratyaya in the place of tva pratyaya is in the samasa vishaya, the upasarga has to be there. And the thing is, there should not be a nanj samasa. It should not be a nanj samasa. If nanj samasa is there, then tva will not be replaced by yap. Not negative. Nanj should not be there. That's a condition. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the next one.
Tumun.
Nind plus tum.
Ninditum.
Ninditum. Now comes the nijanta. Nijanta rupam. Nind form would be, next form would be
Nindi.
Nindi. Here only Nindi. In the beginning itself. Nindi. Anekash dhatu, therefore it is considered to be said only. So Nindi plus ta pratyaya.
So Ninditaha.
Nindita. So you know this Nindi, the E goes away from Nindi by what rule? We saw in the previous class, I think. Ishta pratyaya follows, which can take Ittagama, the Ni goes away. Nijanta form of the dhatu is goes Ni, the Ikara goes away, Nindita. Right? Okay.
Right.
The next one, sorry.
So it is Nindita.
Nindita. And
Tavat will become Ninditavat.
Ninditavat. It is also, the rupam is same as the Anyanta rupam, right? Is it same or different? It's same. That's what you said.
Nindita. It's the same, yes. Ninditavat.
It's all same only. Yeah. There is that. Okay, not written here. It's the rupam is same.
So Nijanta is same as.
Yeah, the rupam is same.
Rupam
yes.
is same.
Then Rit Lakara would be.
So there also I think rupam will be same. Nindishyati.
Yes. Then it becomes Nindi. No, not Nindi. Here rupam will not be same. Nindi is there. Nindi plus Ishya. It can cause Angakarya. Become Ninde. Ninda Ishyati the rupam. Rupam will not be same here. Ninda Ishyati.
Ninda Ishyati.
Itra should be Nindi plus Itra.
Ninda Itra.
Ninda Itra.
Ninda Itra.
Ninda Itra. Yes. The next one. And Anyanta form is Ninditra. We saw, right? Anyanta form is
Ninditra. Yes.
Ninditra. Ninditri. Srilinga is Ninditri. Did we do the Anyanta form? Anyanta form. Yeah, we did. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So
then null would be.
So null will be Ninda Yakaha.
Nindi. Yes. Ni goes away. Nindakaha only. Here, not Ninda Yakaha. Because this is Anit. Anit follows. Therefore, Ni goes away. We have the form Nindaka.
So Nijanta is Anit. So
okay. Yes, when the pratyaya not taking it follows. The ni goes away. Lut would be the same. E goes away, therefore you will have nindana. The rupam would be nindana, same as the anyanta rupam. Nindana. Okay. Next one, tavya.
Tavya will be ninda itavya.
Nindi, ninde, nindaya, nindayitavya.
Ninda itavya.
Yes. Then aniyar.
Nindayaniya?
No.
Nindaniya.
Aniyar is Agatuka pratyaya, not baladi. So ni goes away. Nindaniya, same as the anyan. Nindi, yeah, nindaniya. Nindi plus tva pratyaya. Nindayitva.
Tva will be nindayitva.
Nindayitva. Nindi plus tva pratyaya. This is anekaj, therefore considered to be it. Nindi plus tva becomes nindayitva. Ninde, nindaya, nindayitva. So nindayitva.
Then tuman will be
having cause to censure, criticize. Tumun.
Tuman will be nindayitum.
Nindayitum. So nindi, nindayitum. Okay.
And yat, which we talked last class.
Yat
Okay. Pratyaya will be
same as the nindya.
Nindya.
With some upasarga. Any upasarga. Some upasarga or pra upasarga. Any upasarga. You will have same as the anyanta rupa. So, tena kupitaha saha balakaha swasaram. Balakaha swasaram. There also something is not given. Kena kupit. There also kupitaha balakaha. Kupitaha saha. Kupitas saha. You can say. Or what sandhi is there? Kupitaha plus saha. Sarga is there. By what rule? When the shar letter follows, the sarga can be what? Optionally replaced by sakara. So sakara can be there, or sarga can be retained. So kupitas sabhalaka also kupitas sabhalakaha or kupitaha sabhalakaha. Balakaha plus vasaram, the same rule there also. Balakaha plus vasaram. Generally, you'll see when a shar letter follows, visarga retained. That is what you see in the text.
Sakara or visarga, optional.
Yes. Generally, you'll see visarga, the text, but sakara also can come. When we read, we add sakara. When we chant, we say balakas vasaram. Which in the shloka, we chant replacing visarga by sakara. Okay, next sentence now. All this lesson has got 10th gana, mainly 10th gana. The next one also 10th gana. Kameshwari, you can read.
Yedam Sharanji.
Yes.
I have a doubt in the bats dhatu only. I think I did lep wrongly. That I will replace that Hasva Upada. That rule is not applicable there.
Which one you're talking about? With the lep.
Some, if I add some, but saya should be the right.
Some plus. Yeah, I understand you're saying, yes. Some plus Barsi plus
Lep.
Okay.
Ikara, that is Hrasva Upada, will be replaced by I. That rule is not applicable here, Sharon.
Upada, okay. Barsi. Lagu Upada. Where is Lagu Upada here?
Ikara, Barsi. No?
Ikara is the Antya, right? That Rasva, the Upada has to be Rasva. That is, example, what we saw. Nam Dhatu, if you take. Nam Dhatu with lyap pratyaya having the upasarga pra. Pra plus nam plus lyap. Here we have the form. Nam is there. Nam is has got upada is lagu. Lagu purvat. Lagu purvat kim bhavati. Then this nam dhatu whose causative form is. Yeah, you're right. Nam dhatu causative form is
Nami.
Okay, then,
Nami.
okay, let me do the causative form of nam first, and then we'll come here. Okay, nam plus nich. What is the causative? You're taking the causative form. Okay.
Nami will be the.
Yes. It becomes nami and nitam rasvaha visa. It becomes nami.
So nami.
So pra plus nami. You're right. Pra plus nami plus lyap. So the dhatu whose pada is rasva, then what will happen? This nami is there. Pra plus nam plus nich plus lyap. Right? So here this nich will be replaced by I.
Yeah.
I. Nich will be replaced by I. This is what we saw the rule, I think, right? So therefore,
Katha dhatu we saw.
Yeah, therefore I'm taking some another example. Yes. Therefore you'll have prana maya rupam. Here also, yes, you're right. You will have, if you take some plus bhatsi, here it will not happen. Sorry. Why? Because if you see the dhatu, bakara, repa is there, then takara is there, then sakara is there, then e is there. Upada is not the lagu here. So there it will not happen.
Okay. Now
Yes. Upada is not the this ach. Therefore, it is not applied here. So what you said, Vatsya, that's correct.
Vatsya only.
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay. Sharanji. Thank you.
In this context, we saw ap dhatu. For ap dhatu, this is optional. Remember, apya or prapya or prapaya, two forms.
Prapaya. Yeah.
Vibhasha, apaha. I think I don't recall that. Vibhasha, apaha. We saw. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just births dhatu, really it's births only to see the dhatu. Upada is not lagu. Upada is not ach, therefore this will not apply.
Yeah, only.
Therefore, there is no question of lagu. Lagu is only for the verbal. Okay.
Thank you, Sharanji.
The next sentence. Kameshwari. Tarja.
Yeah. Sa bhrataram tarjanya tarjayate. Tarj dhatu tarjane 10th gana said atmanepadi to blame.
Yes. The word tarjani from this dhatu only. Tarjani is what?
This finger. What is the forefinger?
Yes, that finger tarjani comes from this. It is used for threatening. From this dhatu only. Okay, yeah.
So,
is Ubhayapadi or Atmanepadi? Sorry,
Atmanepadi. Atmanepadi. 10th gana means Atmanepadi.
Really?
If it is first gana means Parasmaipadi.
No,
I saw
Parasmaipadi.
No, Parasmaipadi, it is given as first gana. First gana means both, it is given in 2 ganas. First and 10th. First is Paras.
Yeah, okay. You can take it as 10th gana. First gana is Parasmaipadi. First Parasmaipadi Rupam would be different, not this. Parasmaipadi, what is the Parasmaipadi Rupam of Tarjadatu?
Tarjati.
Here Tarjayate. What gana is that?
10th gana.
Now, in the 10th gana, is it Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi?
Atmanepadi.
Here
10th
also,
gana Atmanepadi. I checked.
10th gana Ubhayapadi. Generally, dhatus and 10th gana are Ubhayapadi. Not for Atmanepadi. Where we said Atmanepadi? No. 10th gana dhatus by default. It can be Ubhayapadi by Nichascha. Sutram is there. Nijanta dhatus are considered to be Ubhayapadi. Kartarabhipraye Kriyapale Atmanipadi. Then this Paragamini Kriya, for Paragamini Kriya, then it is Parasmipadi. Right? So, therefore, Tentaka dhatus in general are Ubhayapadi. There are exceptions like Akusmiya, you will see that. There it is Atmanipadi. So, this is also under Akusmiya only. Therefore, it is Atmanipadi. Atmanipadi dhatu. Therefore, it is Atmanipadi. But as I said before, this is in Parasmipadi also the form is there. Tarjayati also it is there. Maybe according to the, as like before, it says Kshira Swami. Maybe according to him, or maybe some other Dhatu Pata, it is possible. So therefore it is, we can take it as, okay, we can take it as Atmanipadi, because I have to check whether it is Ubhayapadi. We can take it as Atmanipadi. If you have the form Tarjayati, suppose if it is there, Tarjayati, then it could be the causative form of the first Ganadhatu. If you have the form Tarjayati, then it could be the causative form of the first Gana, possible. Okay, anyway. So here Tarjayate is there, you can take it as Atmanipadi. Whether it is Ubhayapadi, I have to check. The Kshira Swami what he says. Dhatu Pata says it is Atmanipadi. Churadigana Atmanipadi Dhatu. Okay, we take it as Atmanipadi and continue. Okay.
Okay.
And that is what the Vakyam also here. Yes, continue.
So, Sa Brataram Tarjanya Tarjayate. Sa Tarjayate.
Okay.
Sa Brataram Tarjayate.
Okay. Tarjanya.
By the forefinger, she is threatening her brother.
So Tarjanya, nothing will happen. Even if you need to Karmani Prayoga, Tarjanya will remain as Tarjanya. Right? Nothing will happen. Only the Karta and the Karma has to, the Vibhakti has to be changed. Fine. So leave out Tarjanya. Tarjanya is, as it is, Tatya Vibhakti. Threatening by, I mean, it is a means of threatening, something like that. Hetu. It is the Karana. Not Hetu, sorry. Not Hetu. By mistake I said. It is Karana. Karana Tritiya. Tritiya is Karanam. I can do the threatening by stick also. Dandena possible, right? Dandena Tarjayate. Now she is using the finger. Tarjani, she is using so Tarjanya. Karane Tritiya. Karana Tritiya. Visa Hetav Tritiya. Ittambute Tritiya is there. Different Tritiyas. This is Karane Tritiya. You can mark. This is under Karaka. This will come under Karane Tritiya. Okay. So nothing will happen. Sa Brataram Tarjayate. Basic sentence.
So now I have to tell the let form under.
Yeah, one minute to show you. Yes.
Sa Tarjayate te Tarjayate taha Tarjante.
Okay. Tarjayate, Tarjayante. Okay, fine. Then
Atarjayata, Atarjayetam, Atarjayanta. Load form will be Tarjayatam, Tarjayetam, Tarjayantam.
Yes.
Then ling form will be Tarjayeta, Tarjayetam, Tarjayeran.
Tarjayeta, Tarjayeyatam.
Tarjayeyatam. Okay. Tarjayeyatam, Tarjayeran.
Okay. Then
Shatru form is
good. Shatru.
No, last class I made the same mistake.
Yes.
You corrected me.
Shatru.
Shatru will be Bhrata Tarjayanti.
Tarjayan.
Tarjanya.
Sorry, it is Atmanepadi. Okay. So Shatru don't add.
No Shatru. Shanach only. Then Shanach will be Brataram Tarjanya Tarjayamana Sa Asti. Tarjayamana Sa.
Yes, good. Tarjayamana.
Tarjanya.
Yes.
Tarjayamana. Yes. Tarjayamana Sa Asti. Then Karmani will be.
You do the Karmani and then you can make it a Karmani Shanach.
Okay. Karmani is Taya Brata Tarjanya Tarjyate.
Tarjyate, good.
Then Shanach Karmani Tarjayamana. This Tarjyamana only, right?
Shanach Karmani, yes. Tarji plus Tarjyama. Because that's why it's asked to do Karmani prayer first. Tarjyate, you said. So therefore.
Tarjyamana Brata. So Tarjanya Taya Tarjyamana Brata Bhuyate.
Yes.
Then Ta Pratyaya. Ta will be same like Karmani. So Taya Brata Tarjanya Tarjitaha.
Tarjita, yes.
Right. Okay. Then Tavatu will be Sa Brataram Tarjanya Tarjitavati. Sa Tarjitavati.
Yes. You want me to write? I'm not writing. Okay. I'm not typing. I'm saying. Okay.
Lit will be Tarji plus Shap plus Te. So Tarjayate.
Tarjayishyate.
Tarjayish. Oh. Yeah, I left. Yeah.
Lit Katsari would be Tarji plus Ishya plus Te. Tarji, Tarje, Tarjaya, Tarjayishyate.
Tarjayishyate.
Then Trich would be
Tarji plus it is Sate, so E will come. Itrich. E goes away. So Tarjitr.
E will not go away. Here, why it is not Nishta Pratyaya. Tarjayitra would be. Why E goes away? That's what we have been seeing. E will not go. Why E goes away? That E will go away only when the Nishta Pratyaya follows. Here, Tarji plus Ta Pratyaya. Where you said here, Tarji plus Tarji plus Ta Pratyaya. Here it will become Tarjita. Similarly, here Tarji plus Tavatu, Tarjitavati. Itavat. These are the two pratyas called Nishta. So Nishta pratyaya pare. And Nishta also has to be said. Nishta pratyaya is said only. Nishta pratyaya can be Nishta pratyaya means Tavatu. Then it becomes it takes itagama. So said pratyaya, said Nishta pratyaya follows. So there are some exceptions are there. The pratyaya may be a baladi, but it will this itagama is denied. Bearing that, okay. So Nishta pratyaya taking set agama, that is taking itagama, that is state Nishta pratyaya follows the dhatus which are set. Then the ni, if it is Nijanta, the ni goes away. Tarjita. Here it is not Nishta, it is Tru. Therefore, it can cause, it will take itagama and it can cause Angakarya. Tarji become Tarje, Tarjayitru. And Srilinga, Tarjayitri. So now Srilinga you can say for this sentence. Sa, Tarjayit. Ete was there. It will become
Tarji. Saha Tarji. Yeah, Brataram Tarjanya Tarjayate. So Tarjayitra.
Tarjayitri sa.
Tarjayitri sa. Brataram Tarjanya Tarjayate.
No,
no Tarjayate. Yeah, it won't come.
Yes, say asti.
Yeah, asti.
Tarjanya Brataram Tarjayitri sa. Vakyam. That's a vakyam. Qualifying sa. Next one, continue. Null would be?
Null pratyaya. Tarji plus null will become tarj plus akar.
Yes.
So tarjakaha. So tarjaka.
Tarjika. Okay. No, tarjika.
Oh.
Form would be, Strilinga would be tarjika.
Okay.
Tarji plus aka becomes tarjaka. Then Strilinga would be tarjika. So tarjika sa.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Lut would be?
Lut will be tarji plus lutus. Ikara goes away. So because of anit. So tarj plus ana. Tarjanam.
Will nothing happen?
No, because chakara, that ja is there, no? So nothing won't happen.
Okay.
Intervened by chakara. Then tavya, tarji plus tavya hit. Tarji tavya will come. Or tarjahitva. Hitavya we have to add. So tarjahitavya.
Tarjahitavya. It is tarjahitavya. Then tarji plus
then
ani.
Aniya will be tarjani. Tarjaniya.
Yes. Tarjaniya.
Then
so tarjaniya. The vakyam, you have to use tarjaniya. How do you use it? See the vakyam again. The vakyam, use tarjaniya. Sa brataram tarjanya tarjayate. Use tarjaniya in the vakyam. Modify the vakyam. You have to use the word aniya. You have to use. Anybody can try. Okay.
Yeah, Prata Tarjaniyaha.
Yes.
Taya.
Yes. Yes, good. Drata Tarjaniyaha. Because Drata is one who is this threatened. So Kaha Tarjaniyaha. Drata is one. Tarjaniya referring to the karma. Karma here in the sentence is Drata. Brataram. So Brata Tarjaniyaha. Brata Tarjaniyaha. Karta will go in Tritiya. Taya. Right? Taya. Brata Tarjaniyaha. Tarjanya Tarjaniyaha. Right? So therefore Tarjan, don't think with the Karta Tarjaniya. No. Tarjaniya will not come. Tarjaniyaha. Because karma is pulling the Dratru. So Brata Tarjaniyaha. Okay. And Tarjagitavya you use, Kameshwari. See the Vakyam again. Tarja. It's actually we can use like this. Then it's good. It's not only deriving the forms of the dhatu, use the forms of the dhatu to make sentence. So we are making as many sentences as possible. So the language will develop. So use tavya. So we will use the words what we derive instead. Okay. Yes.
Tarjayitavya.
Use that. What is the meaning of the kriya? There is this padam. Kriya. This is Tarjayitavya. What is the meaning?
He is fit like that.
Yes, the one who deserves to be threatened.
So Tarjayitavya Brataram. Tarjayitavya Brata.
Brata, same thing as Brata.
Tarjayitavya.
Tarjayitavyaha. Right? Or sa tarjayitavyam bhrataram, you can say. Tarjayitavyam bhrataram. The bhrata who deserves to be frightened. So, bhrata tarjayitavyaha. Taya, again also here. Taya bhrata tarjayitavyaha. Tarjanya tarjayitavyaha bhrata. Using the word tarjayitavya. Okay. Then the next one. Top pratyaya.
Tva will be tarjayitva.
Tarji plus tva becomes
tarjayitva. Here also that guna, that is angakarya happens. Guna happens.
Yes, tarjayitva. So use this sentence in the tarjayitva, the vakya. We have to add some words, imagine and say. Sa bhrataram tarjanya tarjayate. So use tarjayitva. Sa bhrataram tarjayitva vadati, something like that, right? Uttavati. Having threatened the brother.
Kopayat.
Tarjayitva. Bhrataram tarjayitva. Then you fall, not kopita. Again, you have kupitavati or something other you have to say.
Kupitavati. Okay.
So, tarjayitva here. Tarjayitva is svarte nich. Having threatened. If it is causative, because svarte nich or prenate nich, this is a 10th gana. Therefore, depending on the context, only we know. So, if we take it as svarte nich, bhrataram tarjayitva sa kupitavati vakyam. Fine. Svarte nich. Suppose tarjayitva is causative. Causative form. What would be the meaning? Svarte meaning is having threatened the brother, she got angry. That is one. Now, causative form.
She was made to threaten like that.
Anybody can do a sentence. Try. Tarjayitva preranartha nij levantam. Nijanta dhatoho levanta rupam. Tarjayitva, having caused threatening, having caused to threat. Tarjayitva. So, it is not she who is doing the threatening. She has been
asked to do like that. Her
made
father.
to do.
Made to.
Therefore, Pita. I'm adding, okay. Pita Taya Bhrataram Tarjayitva. Right? Pita Taya Bhrataram Tarjayitva. Then we add some Kriya Padam. Uttavan, something like that. Okay. We have to supply. So we have to add some Kriya Padam. So Pita is the one who made the sister cause the threatening. Right? So we saw when we saw Nijanta, what will happen to the Prayojaka Karta? Yeah, depending on the meaning of the dhatu. Prayojaka Karta can be in Tritiya, it can be in Dvitiya. You have to see the meaning of the dhatu. Here, Tarjayitva is Taya Tarjayitva. Somebody causes her, made her to cause threatening. So I said Pita. Pita Taya Bhrataram Tarjayitva Uktavan. Something like that. Okay. You have to use all these words. It's not just grammar alone. You have to use in the Vakya. The next one.
Then Lyap will be some, if we add some Samtarjya.
Samtarjya. Samtarjya.
Tarjya only. Okay.
Not tarjaya. Samtarjya. Then tarji plus tum.
Tarjayitum.
Tarjayitum. Use in the sentence. You tell your own vakya. I mean, the same vakya you can take with little modification. Tarjayitum.
Sa brataram tarjayitum. Tarjayitum.
Ichati, just add. Ichati.
Okay. Tarjayitum ichati.
Ka sa.
Sa brataram tarjanya tarjayitum ichati.
Now, tarjayitum is here also dhatu, tarj dhatu is swarte. Suppose if it is preranath. Tarjayitum, what is the meaning of tarjayitum?
Tarjayitum means to threaten.
To threaten. And tarjayitum preranarthe, it would be, meaning would be cause to threaten.
Cause
right?
to threaten, yeah.
Use in that meaning. Use the avyayam in that meaning.
Pita taya brataram tarjanya vikam.
Yes, you're right. Pita taya
brataram
tarjayitum ichati.
Tarjayitum ichati.
So pita ichati. What? Tarjayitum ichati. Taya. So there, through the sister, he wants to threaten his the brother. Right? Now, pita, when you say putram, you have to say it's a bratra, make it into putra. And bratra also, it's okay. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can say. Yes. Next sentence. Yeah. Nijanta is same. Yeah. Nijanta is same.
Tarjayati, same. Yeah.
After that, Nijanta only, I think.
Yeah.
Already, Tarjidata is Nijanta Rupam. You can see here. Nijanta only. Already you have done that. Krishnanji. Next vacuum. Next vacuum, simple. Kriya Padam Gam only. Already we have done that. So we can read. Yes.
Rama api tvam adya pratah kalu griham agacchah arya aham na agacham.
It's okay. Will you tell me this meaning of that?
So it says whether you came this morning.
Agacchaha. Agacchaha.
Madhyama Purusha Lang Ekavachanam.
Okay. So Tvam Agacchaha.
Tvam Agacchaha.
It becomes Prashna because Api is at the beginning. Api Tvam Agacchaha. It means
you came this morning.
Yes. Adya Prataha Svasuga Gaham Agaccha. Not, yeah, did he go?
Come.
Did he go? Agacchaha. Did he go to the sister's house?
Yeah.
If it is come, it will be what will be the form? If it is come, did you come this morning to the sister's house? Agacchaha. Agacchaha. Yes. So that will become Agacchaha. So here Agacchaha is the gam is dhatu to go. That is one. So apitvam adya prataha swasahu griham agacchaha. Okay. Tvam griham agacchaha. That is the basic sentence. Vakya. I think gam dhatu we have done, so we don't have to use, but you can say some vakya, you can modify also. It's possible. If you want to do, you can do. Or we can proceed as you wish.
We can go to next to dhatu, right?
Yes, we can go. Read.
And that next one is also gach. Okay, ham na agacham shvaha parashvaha va gamishyami. Okay, yaha sayam tvam kim.
Do the analysis of the vakya.
Okay, ham na arya. So he's addressing ham na. I didn't go. Okay, shvaha. So tomorrow or parashva, day after tomorrow, I will go.
Yes, Gamishyami. Okay.
So yaha yesterday, sayam tvam kim. Yesterday evening, what did you do? akaro. So yah sayamaham pitra sah vipanim agacham. So yesterday I, along with my father,
went to the market.
went to the market. Vipanim.
So yes, saha tritiya. This pitra is saha tritiya. Sahayukte apradana. Apradana is sahayukte. So pradana karta is aham. Therefore it is, you see, it is ekavachanam. Aham agacham. Pitra saha agacham. Pitra is apradana. Therefore apradana is saha will come. Saha tritiya. Yaha yesterday sayam. Sayam also avayam only. Aham vipanim agacham. So no kriya padams are new. We have seen all the kriya padams. Okay, you can take one. Agam agacham. Simple one I'm taking. Okay. You can try vakyas, different vakyas. Agam agacham. Taking this. Latva mandal simple. Agam gachami. Leave it. Agam agacham already is there. Langlakara. Load would be.
Load would be aham gachani.
And ling would be.
Aham
Gacheyam. Gacheyam. Okay. Then karmani would be.
Aham
Not aham. Bhave prayoga would be. Karma not there.
Gamyate.
Yes. Past tense. Agam agamyata, right?
Agamyata.
Agacham is what is there, the sentence. Agam agacham maya agamyata. Maya agamyata. Tavat would be.
Gatavan.
Yes. Agam gatavan. Ta pratyaya.
Gataha.
Maya gatam.
Maya gatam. No karma. Okay.
Maya gatam. Use a sentence, I said. We don't want the kriya padam. Grammar part is one. You have to use a sentence. Otherwise, only develop the language. Maya gatam. Karma being not there, it is bhave prayoga. Maya gatam.
Maya gatam.
Ritlakara, already it is that vacuum. The usage is there. Agam gamishyami.
Gamishyami.
Trich would be.
Trich should be gum plus trich.
Gantr.
Gantr.
Gum plus trich we have seen, right? Becomes
Gantr.
Nothing happens. Makarasya anuswara bhavati. That's all. Gum is what dhatu? So state dhatu.
Anit.
It's an anit dhatu. Then how do you get gamishyati? That we saw.
Gamehe. Rule there.
Yes. Gamehe parasmay padeshu. We have seen one rule. Even I taught you, I remember this one. Gam dhatu. Parasmay padeshu, it will be deemed to be said. Therefore, gamishyati. Otherwise, you don't. What is the okay? There is no form gamsyate. Gamishyate only because gamehe parasmay padeshu it bhavati. It agama it takes. This is specifically for gam dhatu given. That's why gamishyati. And whereas for ta pratyaya it is gatavan only. There what happens? Gam plus ta pratyaya gata. Gam plus trich pratyaya gantra.
Yeah.
How it happens? Gam plus ta.
Because of kit.
Because of?
Kit.
Because of kit, what lopa bhavati?
Makara, the anunasika.
Yeah, by what is the rule?
That's a big sutra.
Yes, that's the one. Sutra, I'll leave it. Okay. That's a Anudata Upadesha. That is important.
Yeah, Anudata Upadesha.
Anudata Upadesha, Dhatu. Having Anunasika there. That Anunasika will go there. Anudata Upadesha Dhatu. That Anunasika will go away when the Kit Pratyaya follows. Sutra not required, but you have to understand what it is. That much is enough. Tanotyadina vanati. Anudata Upadesha vanati Tanotyadina. Then Jaladi Kiti Pratyaya Pare Lopah Bhavati. 6:36 or something. Okay, then gum plus trich would become. There it is not a kiti pratyaya, therefore makara doesn't go away, it becomes anuswara. Apadanta makara anuswara. Gantra parastavaranaha gantra. Okay, now use the word gantra in the vakyam. Agam agacham.
Aham agacham. Okay.
Simple. Gantra is trich pratyaya. Ganta agam asam. That's all. Ganta agam
karta. Okay.
asam. Yes. Agam ganta asam. Right? Null would be
Gamakaha.
We saw it is gamakaha or gamakaha.
Gam plus null. Oh, it's a makaranta, so that mitamarsa will happen.
It is gamakaha only. It's right only. We have seen this.
Oh.
This gam dhatu, it is gamaka only. Explain this.
But makaranta, that mitamarsa won't happen, so it's an exception.
Yes. There we saw something. I don't exactly remember now. This becomes. If you remember, if you have written notes, you can check. Gam dhatu doesn't become nijanta. Nijanta only becomes gamaka. Why are you saying here? We are doing not nijanta, right? Mitam rasvaha will you apply? Mitam rasvaha will you apply only for the knee, right? Here we are not doing nijanta. So therefore gamaka only. So where is it? Oh, I think because you said gamaka, I got carried over.
Well, I saw null and then I got confused.
Yeah. We are not doing nijanta rupam of gam. We are just doing gam plus null. Gamaka only. Gami plus null becomes gamakaha. That is different. Right? Gami plus null. That becomes gamakaha. That mitam rasvaha applies. Nijanta dhatu. Here gam dhatu plus null is just gamaka only. There is no mitam rasvaha. It's only for nijanta. Okay. Gamakaha agam asam. Lut pratyaya would be.
Gamanam, aham gamanam, aham.
Agam gamanam will not come. Agam gamanam will not come. Mama gamanam bhavati. Abhavat. Mama gamanam abhavat. Agam agacham. Mama gamanam abhavat. Right? Tavya.
Tavya. Gantavya.
Gantavya. Not agam.
Maya gantavya.
Maya gantav. Ganta. Gantavya.
Gantavyam.
Gantavyam. Maya gantavyam. Aniya.
Maya gamaniyam.
Gamaniyam. Tva. And liyam.
Gatva. So tva would be aham gatva.
Agam kutra gatam, there you have to say agam gramam gatva. Somewhere.
Graham gat. Okay.
Agam graham gatva. Agam and lep would be.
Lep would be.
There are two forms. One is with tukagama and without tuk. But suppose if you use agatya or agamya. Graham agamya atwa graham agatya. Agam graham agamya, graham agatya. Kadami, something like that. Okay. Then tuman would be
gantum. So aham
vipanim gantum ichchami.
Vipanim gantum ichchami. Okay.
So nijanta will leave it. Okay. So you can use the prayoga of this created, the derived forms of these words. Okay. So this sentence, this exercise is okay. This lesson is over. Exercise part we will do it in the next class. Okay, simple exercise only. We'll do it in next class. Okay, we can stop here. Sangamitra, you are telling something? Your mic was...
My network is very poor, Ji. It's coming and going.
Okay. So we stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.